Welcome to Splash Laundry, Kansas City's highest-rated laundry service, where you never have to do laundry again. Imagine this. No more sorting, no more washing, no more folding. Just more time for the things that matter and fresh, clean laundry delivered straight to your door. Here's how it works. Place an order for your pickup, scheduling when it's convenient for you. Pack your laundry. Now it's time to relax. Our laundry experts handle your laundry with care. When it's delivered back to you, it will be freshly cleaned, folded to precision, and ready when you are. Plus, with real-time status updates, easy rescheduling, and a satisfaction guarantee, no wonder Splash Laundry is Kansas City's favorite laundry service. So no matter if you're an overwhelmed business owner, a tired parent, busy professional, or just hate laundry, with Splash Laundry, you get your laundry your way. Click Schedule a Pickup or give us a call at 816-452-9921 today.